Okay, it's winter again here in Michigan, and I'm going to be working on my bike. It's kind of cold out here in the garage. I might have to split this into a couple days, but right now it looks like we're going to be putting some more LED lights on. These are custom dynamics, and I'm going to tell you what I don't like about this kit. Okay, in this kit here, I have, let's see, these are the lights that go on the back of the bags. These are new, they came out just recently. They come with everything you need. It's a plug-and-play setup. You may have seen some other videos on this. I'm going to go through this briefly and install them and then show you what they look like and talk to you in detail about what I don't like about this kit. So the first thing I gotta do, gotta get this cover off, get the side covers off, get the bags off, and I think I'll take the bags in the house where it's warmer, let the bags warm up before I go and try and put these lights on it so the adhesive sticks real good and everything. So let's take the cover off. This is the kit you get. It has everything you need in it, including something that I don't like. All right, in this kit you have your wire harness, you have your left and right hand lights, and you have a little bag of zip ties, etc. And then you have a wipe. And the one part that I wish was not in the kit is this chrome strip. It's a little shorter strip that's used on the classic Indian bags. When you take off the one that comes with your motorcycle, you can put this one on, and I think it's nice that they offer it. I just wish it was not in the kit, because the kit cost quite a bit more than the kits that they sell for the newer model Indian bags, which are a little square and don't have a chrome strip. The chrome strip should be an option, in my opinion. It should not be included in the package. So if you have the chrome strips and you like the chrome strips, it's all included. It's costs $219 for the package. If you get the package that is for the newer model bags, it's $169. So it's like $50 more for those chrome strips. Okay, now that these are warmed up, I've taken and wiped them down with the alcohol swab, and now we're going to try and fasten the lid here. My lid clicks once, clicks a second time, but it has just a little bit more you could push on it. So what I want to do is make sure that I don't hit the light once it's glued on here. And so what I can't just put it right here. What I'm going to do is I made a little spacer. I basically took a look at my distance from here, and when I push it down and then I let it back up, and that gap in there is about this thick. So it's about that thick. So these are nothing but Post-its. And so here, back up there, doggy. Back up, back up. All right, my dog's trying to help. So that's my spacer across the top. So when I push it in here, now I've got a spacer, and it's going to give me the same gap here as here. So now I've got a little bit of a gap, so I can go even further down, and that's going to be where I want to put it on. So now what I'm going to do is take my fingernail, and I'm going to activate this here, and then I'm going to pull the things off. what I found that works pretty good for pulling this backing is grab a toothpick and then you can pick it out and then pull it off, because I have trouble with that sometimes. Okay, now let's see if we can put it on right. Now, if you notice here on the back, the tape goes around this curve coming out this way, but there's no tape on this side. This is the inside of the bag. So I want to make sure that this tape engages over here at this side. So I want to make sure that I have it slid over to the right. Oops, not there. I think that's it. Got the gap. There we go. The gap looks pretty good. Okay, the next thing I need to do is I'm going to run this across here. And I figure I'm going to do it down under this square portion here. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can get some light on it. Yeah, see there's a little square here and a little square that right here. So I'm not sure if this surface here and this surface comes in contact with anything. I just don't want the wires there. So I'm going to go below that, right below there, and then tie in right here. I'm going to take these things here, and I've already wiped down the area where I think I'm going to have it. I think this very first one I'm going to put real close so it tucks in real tight, right in like that. So I'm going to put that one in there. Okay, this next one, the last one, I want to put right over in this area. So I'm going to put it right like that. That way I'll tie it here, and then I'll have a tie strap right here also. Then we'll put one in the middle. I could put it on this one. Let's put it on this one. So that's the middle one. Okay, so now it's a matter of me just doing the zip ties like that and across. Okay, so we'll get that all done. Do it on the other bag also. We'll put it on the motorcycle, and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, got the bag lights on and they look pretty spiffy. I got the gap, looks really nice. Yeah, they weren't too much trouble at all to put on. I always have, most of my difficulty is in taking the seat off and putting it back on, and the left side cover. Just those two things. But once I got that all figured out, no problem. Anyhow, lights worked really good. I don't have them as blinkers, but I might add that gizmo, whatever it's called, when maybe this summer. We'll see. But if anyone's interested in, I don't know if you can see that, the chrome strips, yeah, I'm not using them. I like my bags without the chrome strips. And if nobody speaks up for them, they're going in the garbage. So, until next time.